Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the show. We are proud to present our show. We have an orchestra, magicians, clowns, singers and dancers. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I ask you to welcome our fantastic orchestra. Please give them a big hand.
Oh, we can play the big bass drum, and this is the way we do it. Boom, 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 and that's the way we do it. Or we can play the flute, and this is the way we do it. And that's the way we do it.
A big hand to our fantastic orchestra. Today we are happy to present the famous magicians in the world. Fils Beñat and her card trick.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, now for my trick I need one volunteer. You! Come on. What's your name?
My name is Isot.
Okay, Isot. Here I have a pack of cards, an ordinary pack of cards. First, I'm going to take the top of the pack and show it to you. Just like a result. Show it to you. Show it to the audience, but no show to me. Have you all seen the card?
Yes.
Okay. Put the card on the top of the card, please. I need the magic words. Abracadabra, chap. Moment. Is this the card?
No.
It's not really. Okay. Again, the magic words. Abracadabra, chap, chap. Is this the card?
No.
It's impossible. Again, the magic works. Abracadabra, chap, chap, chap. Put the card on the top of the pack. No, 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 no. Sorry. Is this the card?
Yes.
Magic.
And now, Eder, Daniel, and her third trick. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, now I'm going to take off her shirt. Watch this. First, I'm going to bundle the buttons of her collar straight front. There. Now I'm going to bundle the buttons of her cuffs. One. And two. Finally, I'm going to say the magic words. Abracadabra, abracadabra, I'm going to take his shirt, turn from off. Magic! There's a volunteer. Come on. Don't worry. It's very easy. Okay. What's your name? My name is Alight.
Well, yeah, look at this. We have 3 chairs, and the volunteer is going to sit in one chair. And you will have your eyes covered. Are you understand?
Okay. See you in a minute. Silent, please. I need to concentrate.
Okay, yeah. It's very easy. I don't worry. It's very easy.